Menopause is a period that comes after childbirth, and very often a lot of women are confused as to, am I in my perimenopause? They ask a lot of questions without knowing what they are going through because of the changes that start to happen after the reproductive years. So in this video, I want to tell you when I want to show you or answer the question most women have been asking: how do you know when you are in your perimenopause? Okay, so menopause is the time after reproductive years when the estrogen level starts to drop, and as a result you start to have several symptoms all over your body. So let's go through the symptoms. The symptoms of menopause that appear first are usually in the reproductive system. We have irregular menstrual bleeding. All of a sudden your menstrual bleeding becomes irregular. Sometimes you experience heavy bleeding, and some other times you can start experiencing scanty bleeding. So before you know it, you start to have missed periods, where you have a period once in 2 months or in 3 months. Okay, now some women may not experience any of these symptoms in their menstrual cycle. Now, apart from the menstrual cycle, there are other symptoms like low libido, anxiety, and mood swings. You also have night sweats and hot flushes. You have weight gain. Most women start to add this weight gain, especially around the midsection, like the under of the abdomen. You start to gain weight, and then there's inability to lose weight, and then you find it difficult to sleep at night. You become irritable. You start having fatigue. All these are the symptoms of perimenopause. Now, perimenopause is the first stage in the 3 stages of menopause. If you want me to discuss the 3 stages of menopause, please leave a comment below. So how do you know when your perimenopause have started? Number 1 is through the symptoms. Like the symptoms I just took you through now, they are the symptoms that indicate that a person has started her menopause. Number 2 is your age. How old are you? Ask yourself, how old am I? Now, typically menopause begins anywhere around 40 and 55. So if you are around this age range, then you should be thinking, you should know that it could be menopause. Then thirdly, you are most likely to begin your menopause around the time that your mom started her own menopause. So what you might want to do is to ask your mother, Mommy, when did you start your menopause? If the age when she started her menopause is if you are the same age when she started her own menopause, then it could just be that you are in your own menopause. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. You can ask your mother, at what age did she start her menopause? Then compare it with your own present age. If it is around the same range, even if it's not exactly the same, but it's within the same range, then you should know that it could be menopause. It just could be menopause. So that is how to know when you are in your perimenopause. So the signs of perimenopause: your age, and the age that your mother started her own menopause. If you are within the same range, then it could just be that it is menopause. My name is Nurse Ota. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like this video, follow me, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share.